Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you some simple glam up look. So for that I'm using this Neutrogena, one of my favorite sunscreen cream. And then for pore minimizer I'm using this professional pore minimizer primer to give like a nice base to my foundation or cream, BB cream. And then this is kind of a BB cream which is from Maybelline, and this is tinted BB cream SPF 50 with vitamin C. So yeah. And it gives glow also. For the eyes I'm using this Huda Beauty Remaster Rose Gold palette. I'm using this HINA, and I will be applying to to create a simple base to my eyes. And after that I will be applying this pink gold from the same palette, pink gold, to give something like shimmery effect to my eyes. So kind of it look like a simple glam up look, and it's very easy to create. It's like it will hardly take like 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe less than to 10 minutes if you practiced a lot. And then for the blush, obviously for blush we need to use, I'm using this K Beauty blush, light pink, in a light pink tone. And for the highlighter I'm using this Benefit highlighter, which is like name is Twinkle highlighter, which is Dandelion Twinkle highlighter. And this is like very nice, like rose gold with some hint of gold also there, and with some silver sparkle is also there in that. So it look nice to the Indian skin tone. I'm applying to my T-zone also. I'm applying this to my under eye, not under eye, sorry, under my eyebrow also. So for lip, I'm using this lip cheek tint from the Face Shop, which is like corrective, my very much favorite during this summer days also. And yeah, to complete this look, I'm using this mascara from Too Faced. Its name is Better Than Sex mascara, and it gives like very nice voluminous. Already I have like अच्छा सा eyelashes मेरे पास है, but it make it more beautiful. And for this, the main game changer, the Lakme blue eyeliner which I'm using it, and it whole look gets changed with this blue eyeliner. And yeah, then I thought to create a bindi also with the same eyeliner, so I'm getting some ethnic vibe. So I created this beautiful bindi look. And I have, yeah, this is the fully makeup look which I have created. I hope you will like it. Please